Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I wash my hair in Marley twist. This is crochet hair, the hair you used to do the whole kinky look thing. This is crochet hair and I just use it to twist my hair. I've been rocking this for 2 weeks now. This week is going to make it the third week, so I feel like my scalp is a bit itchy and there's like product buildup because I've been moisturizing my hair in this twist. So I want to wash my hair. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how I wash my hair in this Marley twist. And the products I'm going to be using are products from Afrobynature. If you don't know them, you should check them out on Instagram. It's a Nigerian brand. They make good natural hair products. Let's get into this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with a friend, and let's get it popping. I'm so lit. I miss filming, guys. Let's get into this video. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use water first because I'm dry washing. I don't feel like doing the whole shower thing for twist. So the first thing I'm going to do is just spritz my scalp so that my shampoo can lather. I think it's best I work in sections when I'm gonna shampoo this hair so that I can really get everywhere. I'm just gonna pack the side of my hair, like pack this side as well. And we're gonna do the back first. More water. This is my shampoo. It's very watery, like it's not like a typical kind of shampoo, and it has rosemary in it, which I like. It kind of has this minty menthol smell, so I'm just gonna put that in my hair. And it lathers so well, like you won't believe it. I'm just washing it in my twist. As you can see, it's lathering really well. Just scrubbing it all in. I'm done with that part and I'm moving on to the final section. I'm just spritzing my hair with water as I scrub it myself. It's like I'm washing my hair, but washing it dry. Washing it, it's a different kind of method. I'm gonna take my vibrating brush. This is just to help my blood on my head circulate, which will help promote hair growth. So I'm just using this. You have to be careful not to like yank it in your hair like that so that you don't cause more frizz to your hair. I'm just using it like in a circular motion. Feels so good, guys. You guys need this in your hair regimen. So I'm going to rinse the shampoo off my hair and then we're going to go to deep condition it. Okay. Sorry, that wasn't necessary. So I'm done shampooing it. As you can see, this is what my scalp looks like, and it's squeaky clean. Look at that. This is the Afrobynature Banana Milk Conditioner. It's a 2-in-1 conditioner. You can dilute it and leave it as a leave-in conditioner as well, or you can amp it up by adding avocado, banana, anything you want to it. So it's really good that it's 2-in-1. I love this conditioner. The slip is amazing and it smells so good and it leaves my hair super soft, like so. Massaging it into my hair. I can already feel my hair like just getting soft. Like as I'm massaging it into my scalp, my hair is just absorbing it like ooh, like it's just penetrating my strands. This is the most interesting wash day I've ever had, because guess what? I don't have to detangle. Like I don't say I hate detangling, but it's a lot of work. So just having to wash my hair like this is amazing. Amazing. Be very generous with your conditioner. Like get it everywhere. Get it on your edges. Get it. Just get it everywhere. Like be very generous. And my hair is long, so I have to get it on the body of the hair as well. This conditioner has this tingling feeling, like this soothing. I don't know, it's just like I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So just massaging it into my strands, massaging it, massaging it. Guys, don't laugh. Don't laugh at me. This is what I have, okay, and I'm going to use it. I'm going to use this. To generate heat, I'm going to put a towel. Oh, okay. I look flat. I look flat. You guys, I'm sorry. I'm just excited today. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this on my hair for 45 minutes. Then I'm gonna rinse it off with warm water, and then lastly I'll use like cold water on my scalp for like 2 minutes. I'll be right back. I just rinsed out the conditioner out of my hair, and this is what my hair looks like. It feels so soft and it smells so good. Like guys, I wish you could smell it. My hair is looking like this is what my hair looks like after I've rinsed out the conditioner. It feels clean, it feels soft, it feels vibrant. You know, it just feels like I've had a very good co-wash kind of, you know. So for moisturizing my hair, I'm going to use the Afrobynature Regrow Edge and Scalp Oil. I'm just putting this on my scalp. Normally I work on damp hair, but I really just can't wait for this hair to get damp right now. Just putting that all over my scalp and my edges. For conditioner, I'm going to use the Afrobynature Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. To seal in that conditioner, I'm using the Afrobynature Organic Coconut Oil. It looks like. Lastly, I'm going to be using the Afrobynature hair butter, and this thing smells amazing. This thing smells amazing. Like, oh my god, it smells like cookies, everything sweet, everything nice. Like, it smells so good. That's it, guys. So that's it for my wash day in my Marley twist, and this was easy compared to doing an actual wash day with my hair all out. And I was able to shampoo my hair, deep condition it, and I was also able to moisturize my hair using all products from Afrobynature. I hope you check them out. Their Instagram is Afrobynature NG. Check them out. The products are affordable, and I'll leave the link to their Instagram in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions for me, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support your girl. You know I'm so tired, but I enjoyed washing my hair like this. It smells amazing. It feels soft. It feels, my scalp feels free. Next time, bye guys.